Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to make awesome grunge posters? I'll show you all the Canva tricks you need. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 200 by 300 pixels as your dimensions. This sets up the Canva size needed for this tutorial. Go to the text menu and select Heading. Click to add a heading, then type a single letter in the heading to continue. Go to the Elements tab and search for Mockup Letters. In the search bar, type G and press Enter. From the results, drag the letter G frame into your design workspace. Next, return to the search bar and enter F. Press Enter to display the letter F mockup options. Find the letter F frame and drag it into your design as well, placing it where you want. This lets you add multiple letters as individual mockup frames to your project. Start by opening your design in Canva. Next, go to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Grunge. Press Enter to view all available grunge graphics. Browse through the options and choose a design you like. Click on your selected grunge element to add it to your project. You can resize, move, or customize this element as needed to fit your overall design. Experiment until satisfied with the look. Select any crunch effect you want to use. Click to add the effect to the first letter. Next, repeat the process and add the same crunch effect to the second letter, ensuring both letters have the desired effect applied. Add a colorful background suitable for both dark and white themes. Start by browsing available backgrounds. Select a black and white region to create a neutral base. Click on the background type selector, then choose linear to enable a linear gradient. Next, adjust the gradient's direction by dragging the control handles or using the direction slider, depending on your software. Now introduce color by clicking on the color stops within the gradient editor. Choose vibrant complementary colors to enhance contrast and visual appeal. Fine-tune the position of each color stop to achieve a smooth blend. Adjust the opacity or add additional color stops as needed. Review the changes to ensure the background remains visually engaging and matches the overall. Add a lock to the design for better structure. In the inner circle, reduce the strength to create a subtle effect. Select the second corner and lower its original strength as well. Switch this area to a darker color for contrast. Now, focus on the text. Select the text layer and enhance its color for better visibility. To make it stand out more, apply text effects, go to the effects menu and choose an outline. Adjust the outline's thickness and color until the text is clearly defined against the background. Review the design to ensure all changes complement each other. Use the preview option to check how the lock and circle modifications interact with the updated color scheme and outline text. Make any necessary refinements to achieve it. Draw an outline around the text by selecting the outline tool. Next, set the stroke width to 1 to create a subtle border effect. If you want the text to stand out more, increase its size by selecting the text and adjusting the font size slider until you reach your desired appearance. Next, we can add another effect. Click the Effects panel and choose your desired background effect. Drag and drop the effect onto your project timeline. Adjust the settings as needed to customize the appearance of the background to your preference. Open your document. Navigate to the Layers panel. Select the layer containing your design, then right-click on it. From the menu, choose Send to Back or Move to Back. This action moves your selected design behind all other layers in the document. You can now see the crunch design positioned at the very back, making it easier to work with other elements. Next, you can add more elements to your design for extra impact. Browse through the available grunge design options to find styles that fit your project. Look under the Recommended section for additional inspiration and suggested elements. Once you find a design you like, you can easily duplicate it by selecting the element and using the duplicate function or copy-paste shortcut. This allows you to create consistent, repeating patterns or build a layered look with multiple grunge effects. Keep experimenting by adding and duplicating different designs until you achieve your desired result. Press CTRL and T on your keyboard to duplicate the current tab. This shortcut quickly creates an identical copy, making it easier to work with multiple versions without manually opening a new tab each time. We now have our branch design ready. To save or share it, click the Share button at the top. You can choose to share the design directly or download it to your computer. Before downloading, make sure to increase the image size for better quality. Next, click the Download button and select your preferred file type. Your high-quality branch design will now be saved to your device, ready to use. You've just learned how to design grunge posters in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.